In this video, I am going to teach you how to make firefighting layout. This is a clinic. In the last tutorial, we make the emergency light layout. Now the next is firefighting layout. Firefighting means we have sprinkler here and then fire extinguishers are there. So first of all, just rename it. Proposed firefighting plan, or in other words we can say sprinkler layout. Control A, Control C, just paste it here. Okay, this is the name of the clinic. It's here in this is Unit 405 Fortune Tower, Cluster C, Jubilee Lake Towers. Okay, I have here the wall stub out is here. I have 65 dia, and then I have to make sprinklers. Existing sprinklers are there, but before there was no partition. We have made partitions here, so that's why we have to relocate, or we have to add new sprinklers here. So for that, let's get started now. So first of all, keep in mind one sprinkler cover more than 6 square meter or 6 square meter for one sprinkler. So in this office, let's suppose this is more than 6 square meter, like 9 square meter. So we can keep 1 and 2 also. It's up to you. But for the safe side, keep 2. Make 2. If you don't want any comment from DCD, so select 2. Make 2 sprinklers here. Keep distance from the wall, for example 90. Minimum distance from the wall should not be less than 60 centimeter. But here I will keep 90 because we have enough space. From sprinkler to sprinkler, I mean the center of the sprinkler to the center of next sprinkler, the distance should not be less than 3 meter, or if you have congested base, you can make it 250 centimeter also. But here I have office, this consultation room is L shape, so I will shift it little this side, so this sprinkler will cover this area and this will cover this area. So I am going to make 2 sprinklers here. Okay, now let's go to the next. This is also consultation room. I can make 1 sprinkler. This will be 4 into 3 something. It means it's more than 12 square meter approximate. So let's keep, for example, 250. Yeah, we can make 2 sprinklers here. So I make distance from sprinkler to sprinkler is 250 centimeter. This is wall, this is down, step is down, wall is this one, so make sure the distance from here and here should be the same, so it looks similar. For that, make a line, find its center, make a line, and also for reference, and like that. This is the center. Now this consultation room also done. This also done. Now we have white tile room here. This is small, so keep 1 sprinkler. Better you place it in the center here, and here no need. It's very small. Here also in the sterilization room you will need 1 sprinkler. Move in the center. If you want to get the center, make a cross line here. take from center to the center. And this also done, this also done. Now OPG room, of course we need one sprinkler here also. Place it like this, make it in the center. Just a reference line, make a line like this. It's okay. Now this is medical waste. Here also we need sprinkler. All rooms should have sprinkler except bathroom. Even pantry we need sprinkler. Okay, medical waste is done. Now we have this corridor. Make 3 meter distance from sprinkler to sprinkler. 3 meter. Make a mirror like this. Make sure this distance and this distance should be same. I shift a bit. Even better you make 250 distance. Shift 50 centimeter this side, and then shift like this. This corridor and here. So this is open area. We can make another sprinkler in this area, and then another sprinkler is here, like that. Then we have to make sprinkler here also. You can keep 1 meter from the main door. Just 1 meter. Like 150 better. 150 on the center, and then make another 1 to 3 meter. Let's see how it goes. It going near to that, so make this line, follow this one to a sprinkler like this. Shift it little bit here. So this is following to this one, and this is intersection area. Here no need to add sprinkler there. This is enough to sprinklers here in this part. And then we have storage. Of course we need one sprinkler here also. And pantry, here also we need one sprinkler. And compressor room also we need one sprinkler. Housekeeping also we need one sprinkler. Only bathroom we no need sprinkler, but in other rooms, all rooms we need sprinkler. Even sterilization is there, medical waste is there, pantry, housekeeping, storage, everywhere we need sprinkler. Here I can remove one sprinkler. Make 250, I think. Like this. Okay, now we placed sprinklers as per the DCD, the civil defense requirement. Now we have to make the further. Okay, now I want the pipe route one center like this straight. Now here to go. If you want to cross from the center, you can cross from the center of the center. So this bridge should be down. The sprinkler color must be red as per the civil defense. The sprinkler color should be red. Bring a pipe like this straight to this, and this one like this. You can delete this one, and same follow to the other side. And then make straight one sprinkler on this one also, like that. You can make it. Take one pipe from here, or make one pipe from here. You can make like this and like this. Okay, now connect this also. This is done, and take a pipe like this direction. Like this and like this. Now change the color of all pipes. Must be red. Okay, now we have to write the pipe sizes. Now let's get started from the branches. One sprinkler should have 25 dia. This is in mm. One sprinkler 25 dia. If two sprinkler 25 dia. If three sprinkler 32 dia. That I see in the there is a book from the civil defense. I read there. If two sprinklers are there, the dia should be 25, and if one is there, then also 25. Now there also 25, 25, 25. Now from here, how many sprinklers? This pipe, how many sprinklers handling? 3 sprinklers, so make it 32 dia. The main pipe will be 32 dia. And then this one sprinkler, make 25 dia. Here to here and here, 25 dia, 25 dia. And here it is handling 3 sprinklers, 32 dia. $25, $25, and 25. The main is 32, other is 25, 25. Now the branches are done. Now we have to make the main pipe. Okay, now for the main pipe, let's put it here. The main pipe is 65. You can make after the for 10 sprinkler, you can make 50 dia, even no problem. This one up to here, how many sprinklers we finish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After 6, 7. From here you can change the dia to 40. 40 dia. 40 dia mean 8 or each sprinkler 40 dia can handle 8 or 9 sprinklers. Okay, so here after that we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 so 40 dia is for this one for 6 sprinklers. So here you can make 50 dia. 50 dia for how many sprinklers? 1 2 3 4 8 is there. 8 and 9 10 11 12 13. So 13 dia we make 50 dia, and main pipe is coming 65. Okay, this is firefighting layout. Another thing, we have to show carbon dioxide fire extinguisher 5 kg and dry powder fire extinguisher 6 kg. For that you have to make a line. One, keep it blank like this. Another one, make it H, make it red color. This one also red color. So this will be carbon dioxide. The blank will be carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, and then dry powder fire extinguisher, and this is carbon dioxide. Okay, after that this is pendant sprinkler. We have to make in the legend box. For time saving, and making like this, and then sprinkler. Another one is upright sprinkler, but here we don't need upright sprinkler. Where we need upright sprinkler, where from ceiling to slab, if the distance is exceed more than 1 meter, we need upright sprinkler above the ceiling also. Okay, but here we have less space, like 80 centimeter from the ceiling to the slab, so no need upright sprinkler here. Here we need only pendant in the ceiling. Okay, this is firefighting layout. In the next video we will make fire alarm layout. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. One more thing, I just want to inform, all of this my channel is premium content. This is not free. No one can teach you like this. The requirements of the civil defense. This is only the channel that is giving you everything is free. So I am awaiting your support, and stay tuned for the more videos.